How to use the sinking tool with MABI injectors. The multifunctional sinking tool makes using MABI injectors easy. This tool helps you install injectors quickly and accurately while leaving the site looking neat and tidy. For termite treatment in a concrete slab, you can choose to cover the injectors. To do this, use the sinking tool to countersink the injectors. With the narrow end, push the injector a ½ inch into the concrete. You can then seal the remainder of the drill hole. This process keeps the concrete from sinking into the drill site, giving you a clean, smooth finish. The sinking tool can also simplify the injector installation process. The metal pin at the narrow end holds the injector in place, saving you time. Install your injectors with confidence and accuracy. For treatment around window or door frames, use the sinking tool for an even finish. The tool allows you to insert the injector so it is flush with the surface. In hard-to-reach areas, use the sinking tool to extend the MABI injector. The tool makes it easier to reach and strike with a hammer. MABI's innovative system saves you time and increases efficiency on your construction sites. For more information about this product, visit our site. See you soon!